Best Netgear Modems for Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. Are you dealing with slow internet and constant drops? It is incredibly frustrating when your gear lets you down during important work or gaming. The good news is, you do not need an expensive technician. You can fix these issues and get the best speeds at home yourself after watching this video. Please comment below if you face any difficulty. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, Tech Vibes, for more practical tech fixes. Choosing the right modem is the first step to a stable connection. Netgear modems are known for their reliability and high performance. Let us start with Xfinity. They have very specific requirements for their multi-gigabit plans. For Xfinity, the Netgear CM2000 is the top choice. It supports speeds up to 2.5 gigabits per second. It uses DOCSIS 3.1 technology. This ensures you get the most out of your high-speed internet plan without any bottlenecks. Next up is Spectrum. They are widely used and require modems that handle consistent heavy traffic. The Netgear CM1200 is excellent for Spectrum users. It is a solid workhorse for gigabit plans. This modem features link aggregation, which allows you to combine 2 ports for even more stability during peak hours. Finally, let us look at Cox. They are known for strict compatibility lists, but Netgear always makes the cut. The Netgear CM1000 is the most reliable option for Cox. It is affordable and very easy to activate. It is fully certified by Cox. This means you will not have any issues during the initial setup process. Now for some troubleshooting. First, check your physical connections. Ensure the coaxial cable is tight and not damaged. If you experience drops, try a soft reset. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Check your Wi-Fi frequency. Use 5 GHz for speed and 2.4 GHz for better range through walls. If your speed is below 5 megabits per second, you likely have a line issue outside your house. Contact your provider in that case. Always keep your firmware updated. Go to the Advanced tab, then select Administration, then click on Router Update. Most issues are solved by these simple steps. A quick restart or a firmware update can fix 90% of your problems. These solutions are verified by official support pages and real user feedback from Reddit and tech forums. You are now equipped with the best tools and knowledge to fix your internet. Trust your gear and enjoy your high speeds. Thank you for watching. I am Mustafa, and I will see you in the next one. Stay connected.